Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a downpipe install on this Mercedes Benz C43 AMG. I'm going to try to be as thorough as I can, but we'll just go ahead and show you the steps as to replacing your downpipes. Over here we have the 3-liter twin turbocharged direct injected V6, the M276. Really cool engine. They make pretty good amount of power as well. We're going to start off by taking off this engine cover over here. It's held on with a couple of plastic pegs, and it's attached with these little air dams along with this one in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and we'll move on to the bottom of the car where we have to take off the engine covers on the underside. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the car all jacked up right now, and these are the under trays that I'm talking about. So these are all held in with little 8mm fasteners over here. So you just want to zip them off. This is the one for the transmission, and if you move up, as you can see, there are the cats over there, and that's the front of the vehicle. So this is the engine oil pan tray, I guess. So yeah, they're all held on with 8mm. Just go ahead and zip all those off, and we'll move back up to the top. As you guys can see, we took off the under trays over here, and I wanted to make a quick point. As you can tell, this car has already been touched by someone. Some exhaust work has been done, so you never know what has been moved, meddled with, or whatnot. So I'm just going under the assumption that none of this is OEM wiring. And I like to take a lot of pictures, so take pictures, especially if this is your first time doing it. You're not familiar with how the O2s are routed and whatnot, how the brackets are set up, such as these over here. So take pictures and just take notes, whatever it is they have to do to just remember how everything is routed and mounted up. And right now we're just going to move back up to the top of the vehicle. On top now, I had to remove the air boxes over here to give us more room to get to the O2 connectors down there. So this is the after, and here's the before over here, just to show you guys. It's a little E10 bolt right over here. Right there. Take that bad boy off, and the air cleaner itself is held on with a couple of pegs. Take it off, and then there's going to be a little foam insulator that you just pop off as well. And yeah, alright, so another update, we have the driver's side downpipe off, as you can see. So I got the driver's side off, and I'm just going to show you what it was that I took apart. We got this bracket over here, which are two 13mm nuts. Over here, this is the clamp. There's a 13mm bolt over here, and those two holes for the downpipe that comes straight off the turbine of or exhaust side of the compressor turbo. Those are two 13mm bolts, and here it is on the floor. So you have the stock versus the aftermarket downpipe. Now all that's left to do is obviously take the O2 sensors, you swap them. So the blue one over here is the downstream or secondary O2. The brown one is the upstream or primary O2. So you simply take this one, move it up here, take that one, move it right over there. Then it'll be time to bolt it up. And this is how the passenger side is, just for reference. You have that 13mm bolt for the clamp. As you can see, there was two 13mm nuts over here for this little bracket. And I already have I forgot to mention to disconnect the O2s. These route all the way up top, so they go up by the bell housing all the way up there. And then we still have the two 13mm bolts. Kind of see one over there. So that's one. Then that's the other one. So yeah, we'll update as we go. Alright, onto the passenger side now. I already got the O2 sensor swapped, and it's ready to go back in. Kind of see up in there where it bolts up.